For number 13, we're trying to find the inverse. So go ahead and put down the y in the place of f of x. Okay, so there are students who got confused on like whether to keep both sides first or to get rid of the 1/2 first. Okay. Oh, actually, I should flip the x and y first. Okay, and then the answer is going to remove the 1/2 because that's really further out from the y, right? So that becomes 2x. Okay. And then you have cube root of 2y plus 2. And then now you keep both sides. Okay, so now you have 8x cubed. Okay, and then you would subtract 2. Okay, so 8x cubed minus 2 is equal to 2y. And now that's a major challenge for some people because we're dividing by 2 on both sides, okay? The entire side on both sides, okay? And y is equal to what? Okay, now because we're dividing 2 on both sides and the entire side, so these two numbers will be divided by 2, okay? So it's 4x cubed minus 1, okay? 4x cubed minus 1. That is going to be your inverse. Okay, 4x cubed minus 1 would be your inverse right here. So again, make sure that you would remove the 1/2 before you cubing both sides. And 2, that is when you divide by 2, you're dividing 2 on both sides, and make sure you divide it properly. Now, if you say, hey, Mr. Chan, how come you would divide this by 2 for 2 separate numbers? It doesn't sound right if you do that. Well, let me also explain to you here that we can call this a common denominator, right? A common denominator, meaning that we can split it. And well, now I hope you can see a better view on why we are dividing both the 8 and the 2 by 2. Okay.